was 2:47 a.m. Mark sat at his desk, exhausted, frustrated, sick of failing. He tried everything: dropshipping, affiliate marketing, freelancing, CPA. Nothing worked. Every course, every system, every so-called easy method ended the same way, with him making nothing. But it wasn't because he was lazy. It was because every opportunity he tried was already overcrowded. He was always late to the game, always struggling against people who'd been doing it longer, had more money, or knew the secrets he didn't. And then he found it. The one opportunity no one was talking about. He found an opportunity that allows him to dominate the entire global market and eliminate all the competition with just a click. A completely untapped market that no one dared to enter yet. That's when he found Dubbify AI, a revolutionary AI-powered app that allows him to copy and paste any video URL or upload a custom video, and within seconds, Dubbify AI will localize it, translate it, and dub it to any language, allowing him to take a single video that targets only English-speaking people, which is only 10% of the world population, and turn it into hundreds of videos targeting literally the entire world. Not just that, Mark can now offer it as a service to other YouTubers, bloggers, influencers, and companies, and charge them a minimum of $500 a video. No recording, no voice actors, no expensive software, just one click, and any video could be transformed into a global sensation. That's when everything changed. Instead of trying to compete in oversaturated markets, he started offering a service no one else was even thinking about. Instead of struggling for scraps, he had businesses begging to pay him $500 plus per video. Instead of fighting for attention, he controlled an entire industry before anyone else even realized it existed. And the best part? AI did all the work for him. And now you have the same exact opportunity in front of you. Because Dubbify AI isn't just an AI tool, it's the key to a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Hey, my name is Saeed, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce you to Dubbify AI. Once-in-a-lifetime app that'll instantly localize, translate, clone, and dub any video you want into any language with the speaker's exact voice, tone, and emotion with spine-chilling accuracy. Right now, businesses are paying thousands for video dubbing, and they don't even know that AI can do it instantly. Right now, companies are losing millions because their videos are stuck in one language. Right now, marketers, entrepreneurs, influencers, and struggling beginners are searching for something that gives them an edge. And Dubbify AI hands it to you on a silver platter. For years, breaking into global markets was only for billion-dollar brands. Netflix, Disney, and Amazon spend billions translating content into multiple languages. Mr. Beast hires entire teams to dub his videos so he can reach new markets. But what if you could do the same thing, instantly, with just one click? That's exactly what Dubbify AI does. Clones any voice, keeping the same tone, pitch, and emotions, dubs videos into any languages with perfect accuracy, syncs every word to match the speaker's lips so it looks 100% real, gives you access to our private marketplace, and lets you sell AI-dubbed videos to businesses, influencers, and marketers for huge profits. No hiring, no filming, no editing, just AI doing all the heavy lifting. This isn't just another AI app, this is a world-changing breakthrough that's already taking over the internet. And right now, you're one of the first people to get access before this goes mainstream. This opportunity won't stay open forever. Right now, you're ahead of the curve, but soon the market will be flooded. The smartest entrepreneurs, marketers, and agencies will jump in and take over. So the real question is, will you act now? Or will you wait and watch as others grab the easiest opportunity of 2025 while you stay stuck looking for the next thing? Click the button below and get access to Dubbify AI before it's too late. No skills needed, no monthly API fees, no need for expensive studios or complex editing software, no waiting. Just instant AI-powered dubbing, translation, and lip syncing. Netflix, Disney, Amazon, and Mr. Beast are already using this strategy, but today you get the same power without the cost. Click the button now before the rest of the world catches on. I'll see you inside.